this question. Students, we are given this question as a line 3x positive 4y positive 10 equal to 0 cuts a chord of length 6 units on a circle with center 2, 1. Find the equation of the circle. So let us draw the figure. So we have a circle. The center is located at 2, 1, and a line is actually cutting a chord. So let us imagine this to be the chord. So let A and B be the chord, and the length of the chord is given to be as 6 units. So if the imagination is that the line is passing through the center and dividing the chord into 2 equal parts. So that is the imagination, or in other words, that is the assumption that we have to have here to solve this question. Okay, so having made that assumption that the line, which is 3x positive 4y positive 10 equal to 0, is passing through the center and dividing the line AB into 2 equal parts by meeting the point M. So if we are expected to find the equation of the circle in general form, then we have to know the length of CM. Now, to know the length of CM, we would be using this concept of finding the magnitude of CM, which is nothing but substituting the points 2, 1 into the line under the modulus sign. So it's going to be 3 of 2, positive 4 of 1, followed by positive 10. Under the modulus sign, we need only the positive value, divided by root of 3 squared positive 4 squared. So this is going to be giving us 3 times 2 is 6. 6 added with 4 is going to be 10 positive 10. There's no need to place the modulus sign because it's going to be positive. Divided by 3 squared is 9. 9 positive 16 is going to be 25. Root of 25 will give us 5. So we have 20 over 5, which is equal to 4. So this is the length of CM. Now, having obtained the length of CM, we have to know the radius C. In other words, let me explicitly write it here. We have to know the length of CA. Now, if I were to know the length of CA, then it would be easy for me to obtain the equation of the circle. Now, we know that CM is 4 units. Now, this distance A to M, AM is 3 units because the line is dividing AB into 2 equal parts. So, if I were to use Pythagoras, CA is going to be equal to square of this, which is in this case is going to be 6 divided by 2, so that's going to be 3 squared. So let me write that 3 squared followed by 4 squared, but we need CA, so we need to have a square root sign. So that is going to be 3 squared is 9 followed by 16 with a root, that is going to give me 5. So my CA is 5. So the radius is obtained to be as 5 units. So this implies the radius is 5 units. So I've got the radius and I know the center. So the standard form equation of the circle is given to be as x negative h raised to the power 2 positive y negative k raised to the power 2 is equal to r squared. So in this case is going to be x negative 2 raised to the power 2 positive y negative 1 raised to the power 2. The radius is 5 units, so it's going to be 5 squared. So we have to expand this. Now, if we were to expand this, just for the sake of continuity, I would be using this space here. So that is going to be giving me x squared. So the square of x negative 2 whole squared, right? Have that in mind. So it's going to be x squared followed by negative 4x positive 4 positive y squared negative 2y positive 1 is equal to 25. So rewriting that would give me x squared positive y squared negative 4x negative 2y. I can bring 25 to the left, so that would mean I will have a negative 25. Added with 1 would give me negative 24. Added with positive 4 would give me negative 20 is equal to 0. So this is going to be, or I would say this is the required equation of the circle.